Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today it is Keep It Simple Sunday. Our host is Melissa Makes It DIY. Melissa is a fantastic crafter. You need to check out her channel. And the co-host today is me, Jackie Burns Creations. Okay, what I did was I had these peat pots I got from Dollar Tree, and I painted them just a dry brush white on top of them. You can paint them any color you want. And what I'm going to do is decorate them into a kind of a shabby chic little flower pots. I'm cutting out different laces for them. Some are big, some are small. These are two of the antique laces I have. This is a twa fabric I have. Looks kind of black on the screen, but I'll guarantee it's a blue. It's very pretty. I cut out some lace, and I put some lace on it, but the lace doesn't show up really great against the white, so I think I'll probably dry brush some others for the white lace. Some pillow ticking ribbon, some gimp, that's what this is called. Now I'm starting to apply it, and I am using my hot glue, but a little later on I'll be using some Aleene's Crafty Quick Tacky Glue. And you can see how that will work too. Being that it's a little slanted, you have to play with the fabric a little bit, and you'll have some pleats in the bottom area and not in the top. So you can see where I'm folding that pleat down, just giving it a little bit of glue. This side I'll cut it off. My handy dandy silicone spatula. You can see me playing with different ribbons. You can put them in all shapes, colors, configurations, anything you want. And remember, you're not here to necessarily follow what I do. You're here so hopefully I can inspire you. I mean, if you want to follow me, you can, but some of these materials you won't be able to find. So I'd suggest just find your own. Sometimes dig in your stash, you might be surprised at what you've got. You get like 12 peat pots, so you can make a lot of projects out of that. I ended up only finishing 6. I may finish 6 more in a different way later on. See, this one fit all the way around it. Folding it over on the bottom. Now I cut out these, some of these pictures, these Easter-looking pictures, and I'm just giving it a trim up so it'll fit on the pot a little bit better. Little bit of glue. Well, actually, how about a whole bunch of glue? I'm just kind of holding it down for a second. And I have all kinds of pearls that I found in my basement, some of my stash down there. And I'm sticking a pearl on each side of the picture. This foam's so easy to cut. I just give it a little slice with my spatula there. You can glue it in the bottom if you want. Some of them I glued, some of them I didn't. When I take the moss out, I just kind of roll it in my hand, and that way I get a nice little clump. Just taking some leaves off. Putting them in the foam and some pretty pink flowers. Like, okay, I've got to make it so this egg stays in there a little bit better. So I found a piece of flower pick, and I'm putting some hot glue on the bottom where the hole is. And now I'm just putting some hot glue there and letting it cool while I add more flowers. Some of them just tuck along the sides, the back, the front, in the foam, out of the foam. Don't forget to add some leaves. Okay, and there, the egg will stay in it now. And I made it so the flowers are all around the egg. Okay, there it is. This is some status that I got at Dollar Tree. It really looks good. I got a yellow, a white, and purple. And I put it on that little bunny picture. Now this one, I'm going to add pansies. I mean, what is more spring than pansies, except maybe violets and daffodils and tulips and crocus and hyacinths and forsythia and lilacs and okay. Throwing a few little leaves in there. And that was a little medallion I put on the front of there. This one I'm tying some twine around it. Tying twine around the toile. I was trying to decide if I should put a finger bow on there or not. Okay, here I'm using some of that Aleene's quick dry tacky glue. I'm almost out. I'm going around the edge of a picture on this one. You'll be able to see them all better toward the end when they're all together. Here's some of the white status. As everyone says, way to go, Dollar Tree. Leaning over and taking a little clipping of some lamb's ear. I'm cutting a couple of dowels with my handy dandy miter shears. They just cut through that like butter. And it's starting to run out, so I'm having a hard time getting the glue out. So what I do is I just dip it inside. Put a picture on the front of it and let it dry. And if you had a double copy of the pictures, you could put it front and back, but I didn't. I got these pictures from, it's called Retro Cafe Art Gallery. They're in Colorado, and she just has some fantastic items. So you should give it a look-see and see what you can find. She's got some great, like I say, great items. A lot of embellishments, a lot of really cool pictures and papers. There's quite a few ways you can get it printed too. You can do it digitally, but since my computer's not working, but I did order a new computer, due on Wednesday. Now if I can just get the printer to work. And I put a skewer in one of the eggs. Okay, here they are all finished. And like I said, you can embellish these any way you want to. And I want to thank Melissa again for having me be her co-host. It's Keep It Simple Sunday is always a fun one to do. And I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers, and to all my new subscribers, welcome. I'm so glad to meet you, and I hope you enjoy my channel. I've got some really faithful subscribers that are just awesome. And we're getting there. We're up to 743. So let me know what you think. Like I say, this is just a fun little simple craft that's so easy to do. Like I say, you can decorate it any way you want. Okay, until next time, I will be seeing you. Bye for now. And remember, go out and spread some kindness.